In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and delete users in the MaxelTracker dashboard. You can add users either during the onboarding process or after onboarding under the Users section within the dashboard. Before we begin, please note that MaxelTracker operates in two modes, Visible Mode and Staff Mode. First, make sure your organization is registered with MaxelTracker. Once registered, go to the Users section in your dashboard. Here, you'll find two options for adding users, manually and bulk upload. First, click on Add Users. Enter employee details such as name, email, employee ID, roles, shifts, and department. You can also create and manage different roles and departments from this section. We will cover these settings in a separate video. Keep adding employees by clicking Add Another Employee. Once you add all the users, click on Send Invitations. Now, let's see how bulk upload option works. The bulk upload option is ideal for organizations adding 10 or more users at once, saving their time compared to manual entry. Click Download Sample File. Add the employee information in this downloaded file. Once you add all the employees' details, make sure you save this file in the same format and re-upload it. When the file is uploaded successfully, click Send Invitations. No matter which option you use, each employee will receive an email invitation containing the login credentials and an app download guide for installing the MaxelTracker application on their system. Please note, if you are using the MaxelTracker application in a visible mode, login details will be sent directly to each employee's email address once you send them an invitation. But if you are using the MaxelTracker application in a stealth mode, login credentials for all employees will be sent only to the admin's email, not to the employees. Please check your spam or junk folder if you don't receive the email in your inbox. For the visible mode, employees can download the application on their computer systems, but in the stealth mode, employees cannot access the application. That will be hidden from their computer systems, so they can't download it. If you want to download the stealth mode application, Super Admin can follow this guide. Once the application is installed, you may notice few things. If clock in or clock out buttons are visible, that means you've enabled the manual tracking option. This option is ideal for remote teams working across different time zones or shifts. So, they can turn on or off the tracking at any time. If there are no clock in or clock out option visible on the app, that means the automatic tracking is enabled. This mode continuously tracks user activity until the employee shuts down the computer. It also records after-hours work, automatically calculating overtime. If you want to delete a user, simply select the user and click Delete. You can view the deleted users under the Profile section. You can either restore the user or permanently delete it. If you restore a user, you'll need to reactivate the profile from the User section to resume tracking, and once you reactivate the user, all the previous data and the insights will also be restored. However, if you permanently delete a user, all the insights will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. That's how you can add, manage, and delete users within the MaxelTracker dashboard. In upcoming videos, we'll cover how to configure roles, departments, and tracking settings in more detail. Stay tuned.